Are you struggling to come up with the perfect title and meta description for your product page? You're not alone. Crafting SEO optimized content can be challenging, time-consuming, and require expertise. All you have to do is input your company name, product description, and keyword. The examples are entirely optional and are used to refine your output further. You can create content in multiple languages as well. And now, click on the Generate AI Content button. Our powerful AI algorithm will analyze your inputs and generate a result that's optimized for SEO, engaging, and perfectly tailored to your product. If you ever get a result you do not like, you can use the Reclaim Token feature to reclaim your tokens and not be charged for that output. So why spend hours trying to come up with the perfect title and meta description when you can get it done in seconds with BrainPod AI Writer? Try it now and take your product page to the next level.